welcome back to our channel TANMAI'S Experiments. In today's video, we are going to make an milk and honey soap. For that, let's see the materials required.
We need stirring stick, 1 mold, measuring cylinder,
food color, sand, glycerine flakes,
water, microwave or pan. Now let's see the first step. And because we are making milk and honey soap, we even need milk and honey.
Take 1 glycerine flake and break it into pieces. Place the pieces in a measuring cylinder. See friends, first break it.
Now microwave the glycerine pieces for 10 seconds. If the glycerine isn't fully melted, microwave for 5 seconds at a time until it melts. Watch carefully to make sure glycerine doesn't boil over. In case you don't have a microwave, ask an adult to place the measuring cylinder in boiling water to melt the glycerine pieces. See friends, now I am boiling the water to melt the glycerine flakes. The water is boiling and I am placing the glycerine flakes inside.
Let's see after melting.
See friends, the glycerine flakes are melting in the bowl. Now add 1 drop of color in 4 drops of scent into the glycerine. Stir the mixture using the stirring stick and pour it into the mold. Reheat in case the glycerine starts solidifying. Now add 2 tablespoons of milk and 2 tablespoons of honey. Keep the mold in the freezer for 20 to 30 minutes and your customized handmade soap will be ready. So from the beaker you have to pour it into the mold first.
See friends, this is our soap. I have freezed it. Now let's see if our soap is ready or not. Wow, it's ready. It is so nice. See friends, our soap is ready and it's working very well.